What are you gonna do? Yeah.
Hey Dad, I'm gonna squirt this water in my face with this squirt gun.
1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off. It's crazy.
Now jump in the pool.
What?
Now jump in the pool.
I don't wanna.
Jump in the jacuzzi.
Oh, I'm joking.
Oh, all right.
Okay, I'll do it.
Now shoot it across the pool.
Cannonball!